16th Road, Bandra West, 1100 Reda carpet area with 2 podium car parkings, brand new OC received building is what we are showcasing you today. You see the amazing, beautiful, lovely, stunning view from the living area because we are on the higher floor of this brand new building. It's an L-shaped living area, beautifully designed, one of the luxurious projects of Bandra West. Here you can use your dining setup as well in the living area. On the opposite side, you have a lovely kitchen with a parallel countertops with a provision for refrigerator and washing machine as well. Coming ahead on my left, you see the powder room as well. Opposite to powder room, you have the bedroom which has a washroom attached to it. The beauty of this flat is that the floor to ceiling height is very nice. Plus all the 3 bedrooms are having washroom attached to it. As you can see, coming to the second bedroom. From second, let's come to the third bedroom. Here also you have washroom attached to it. You have lots of amenities in this project. Once again I repeat, we are on 16th Road, Bandra West, hardly 5 to 7 minutes walking distance from Khar Gymkhana. For pricing and other details, please see the description box. Kalpesh Thakkar from Jishu Realtors. Thank you.